Good morning, grade 7. Let's go for practice set 40, question number 5. I'm just reading this problem for you from textbook. If Pankaj deposits 1,50,000 rupees in a bank at 10 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount he will get from the bank? So, principal amount is given as 1,50,000 rupees. Rate is 10 per capita per annum. That means 10% is the rate. Time is 2 years and we have to find amount. You know what is the formula for amount? It is principal plus interest. We have principal but we don't have interest. So first let's find the interest using formula PRT upon 100. This interest is simple interest. So you have 1,50,000 into rate is 10 into time is 2 upon 100. So these two zeros can be cut off. 15 2s are 30 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So interest we got 30,000. Now what is amount? Amount is principal plus interest. So you have 1,50,000 plus 30,000 comes out to be 1,80,000 rupees. So this is the amount. You can write at the end in sentence form. This is what is the total amount he will get from the bank. So he will get 1,80,000 rupees from the bank. Alright. So let's go to the next set 41. Okay. Let's go to the first problem from practice set 41. If the interest on 1,700 rupees, that means principal is 1,700 rupees, and on this principal interest is, if the interest on 1,700 rupees is 340, so I have written interest as 340 for 2 years. The rate of the interest must be dash. So you have to find rate. Everything is given. Time is given. Interest is given. Principal is given. You have to find R. So first write formula. Interest, that this is simple interest, which is equal to P into R into T upon 100. We want to find R, so I have kept R over here. I as it is over here. Now you are shifting P, T and 100 from your right hand side to left hand side. This is in denominator, it will go in numerator. These two are in numerator, they both will come in denominator. Okay, that is equal to R. Now just substitute. What will be R equal to? I. What is I? 340. So write 340 into 100 as it is upon, what is P? P is 1,700 into T. T is how much? 2. So these two zeros and these two zeros gone. Alright. Then you have 17 ones are and 17 twos are 34 and this 0 over here. 2 ones are, 2 tens are 20. Got it? So what will be rate? Rate will be equal to, options are given 12%, 15%, 4% and 10%. So correct option is 10%. Percent and PCPA is same. You can write interest in terms of PCPA also. Per capita per annum, or you can write it in percent also. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now let's go to the second problem from practice set 41. Now look at question number 2 from set 41. Okay, question 2. Now see students, there are two cases over here. If the interest on 3,000 rupees is 600. So in first case, case 1, if 3,000 rupees is principal, interest is 600. Okay. At a certain rate for a certain number of years. So let the rate be R1, first case, so everywhere I have written 1, 1. Let the rate be X and T be, time be Y years. This is X percent or PCPA and this is Y is years. So for certain they have said, so I have taken X and Y. Now see the second condition in your problem. What would be the interest on 1,500 rupees under the same conditions? Same conditions means related to rate and time. So rate R2 and T2 is same. X over here, X over here. Y over here, Y over here. So this means same conditions. If 3,000 is principal, 600 is interest. So if 15,000 is principal, what will be the interest? This is the simple question. Now students, there are two methods. First I will discuss now first method and then I will tell you the second method. Okay. Now first let me find out interest 1. It is P1 into R1 into T1 upon 100. Let us substitute. P1 is 3000. 3000 into R1 and T1 is X into Y upon 100. So these two zeros gone. We got I1 is equal to 30xy. Up till here clear? Now I2 is P2 into R2 into T2 upon 100. But here R1 and R2 is same. So I have substituted here X. T1 and T2 are also same conditions they said. So XY will remain same. There is change in principal value. Here it is 3000, here it is 15,000. I2 which is equal to 15,000 into X into Y upon 100. Again two zeros will be cut and you will get I2 is equal to 150xy. Here you got I1 is equal to 30xy. Now I am taking I1 upon I2. So that is 30xy upon 150xy. Now what is I1? Substitute. Therefore, now I am erasing this. What is I1? Therefore, that is I1 is how much? 600. So you have 600 upon I2 we have to find out. So I am writing I2 only. Will be equal to, see xy will get cut off. 1 0 will cut off. Here 3 ones are and 3 5s are. So this is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay. Now, therefore, I want I2. So I am cross multiplying. So it will be 600 into 5 will be equal to I into I2 into 1. Into 1 means only I2. I2 into 1 is I2. And therefore, interest will be equal to 6 5s are 30 and these 2 zeros. So 30 and 2 zeros. So that will be equal to 3,000 rupees. Now see students, principal is increased by 5 times. So interest will also increase by 5 times. Yes or no? 3 5s are 15. 6 5s are 30. Or another way which I was willing you to tell is that, look at the formula. What is our simple interest formula? Let me erase this. What is the formula? We have interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So can we say interest is directly proportional to P? If it is direct proportion, ratio always remains constant. That way also you can do. Is this clear? So you got I2 as 3,000 rupees. That is interest. I hope the problem is clear. Okay. You may pause the video and you may do via direct variation also. Remember, in direct variation ratio is constant. So all our principal rate and T both are directly proportional to interest. So you can write there it is directly proportional. All right. So student, I think principal 2 is not 15,000, it is 1500. So 1 0 we have to cut over here. Everywhere you cut 1 0. Okay. Here also, here also. So I guess it will be here it will be 3 10s and 3 5s. Alright. Yes, so it will be 10 over here. I2 into 10 and therefore it will be 3,000 upon 10, which comes out to be I2 will be equal to 300 rupees. Please do this correction students. It was not 15,000, it was 1500 in your textbook. Okay. So it comes out to be, I2 comes out to be 300. Mind well this. Okay. So this is 300. 1 0 is decreased over here and therefore everywhere 1 0 has been decreased. Okay. Please make that correction. So you have 1500 here also. So here it comes out to be 15. Here instead of 150 it is 1500. So 10 upon 5. Okay. 10 upon 5. Now it's correct. So please take down Next problems we will see in the next video. Thank you.